Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 54 for learning memory system in Django with ReactJs. 53 is already created, but I haven't uploaded yet, but I will upload it soon because recently I have created that. So in the 53rd video, what I have done, I have created the my user page in the teacher dashboard. Right, when we click on this, it will show the student list who has enrolled in the in this particular teacher courses. Now in this video, I'm going to make functional the profile setting page. Okay, so in this page we will fetch the data, the teacher who has registered, and we will also upload the profile photo. Okay, so we will take reference from the edit chapter, edit chapter component. So when you click on this edit, it will same as a profile setting. Okay, so let's start to do this. So I'll go to edit course here, right, and we have, if I click on the profile setting page, we have full name, email, profile photo, password, skills, and this has some these data. So let's do this. So I'll open the along with profile setting. So we'll say teacher profile setting, right, and in the edit course we have lots of things, right. So first of all, we need this all use state, these things. So here we have copied use effect, use state, xuse well, sweet alert, base URL, and edit course. So we need these things. Okay, so actually we don't need the category because we don't need the category. Okay, so actually we can also reference from the register course. So we can say teacher register, right. So teacher register, we have teacher data right here, we have, right, and the teacher profile setting, we can say this. Okay, and we have course ID, so it will be teacher ID, right. So this will be teacher courses. Here we will get the teacher ID from the local storage, right. So here we have teacher ID, right. So teacher register, and change element, we will copy this profile setting, and here we have, okay, full name, email, password, qualification, mobile number, skills. One thing we need more, what we have, full name, email, password, skills, status. This is I think the register status. Okay, so qualification, we will need qualification, so I will add qualification here. So I'll copy this copy and paste it here. Okay, so I'll say qualification, right. So qualification is here, qualification. So, and please don't distract with the background noise. Okay, some street vendor is going there. Okay, so qualification, let's say we will say BCA, MCA, like these things, and okay, so we have this edit course and teacher register, full name, email, qualification, mobile number, skills. We can copy this and paste it here in the submit, because register and this will be the same. We just need another function to fetch the data, and we will update that. So we have here, okay, so handle change, this is not using, so that is showing the underline. Okay, full name, email, okay, fine. And what we need, another thing, teacher register, teacher dashboard. So here we will copy this, paste it here. Okay, so we don't need this redirection after the log, because we are not checking the, okay, just look at me. If teacher status, is this, okay, teacher profile setting, login status true. Okay, we don't need this. Actually not true, then we will say teacher login. Actually if we log out, then it will be teacher login. So if not login, then we will say, if not true, then we will say the teacher login. Okay, so if say teacher profile, okay, what it is, we need to log in. Let's log in first of all. Okay, and profile setting, teacher profile setting. Actually, let's log out here. I will copy this. Okay, this and teacher profile setting, it's redirecting to the login, right? Okay, so john@gmail.com. Let's go to profile setting, and now we are doing this. Now we can take reference from the, okay, one thing more, let's copy this card. Actually, copy this whole card body and paste it here, and paste it here. Okay, so full name, email, password, qualification, we don't need actually password. Full name, email, profile, we don't need password because we have another component for change password, right? So we will remove this. So full name, email, profile, photo, skills, qualification, right? Everything is fine. Okay, now we can we need to perform the handle change and the value, and yeah, we need value, right? Teacher register, full name, here, handle change, name is email, and this is here we are doing, this is skills, we will verify from the model also, and this is qualification, right? And we need one more thing, we need to define name. So name will be, we can copy the name from here. So this is name, we just need to do one trick in this. We need to define the image, don't need the password, qualification. Okay, actually skills also, so skills, right? And let's define the the qualification. So it's working, yes, it's working, and qualification is this qualification, right? So, and for the profile, in the edit course, what we have done, I have defined two property, previous image and the image. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it here. So previous image and image, let's make this same standard. So this, right? This is the name of, let's go here, and LMS API main models.py file, and the teacher. Okay, we don't have any the image, actually we don't have image, so we don't need, I think, in the profile setting also, or we should add in the model. What do you say? Let's add in the model. Add here featured image, let's add here profile image, right? We can say teacher, it will automatically create the directory in the media folder, profile image, right? And let's say we have this profile image and profile previous image, p image, right? And what we have done with this previous image and all the thing, so previous image we are fetching from the data. So this is fetching the data actually, right? So let's copy this. We need to create the teacher detail view actually. Okay, we will create that. So here we have a teacher ID, right? Okay, so we don't need this. Fetch, don't need this also. Fetch current teacher data, right? So teacher detail, teacher ID, and set teacher data, and submit form. We didn't define the submit form here. Let's define this. On click, submit form, right? Okay, so teacher data, here we are. So here we are, teacher data. So don't need the category, f image is empty, previous image will be profile image, and what we need, full name, actually full name, email, don't need password, this one is no need, right? Because we have created different component for the password. Email, qualification, right? So qualification, mobile number, skills, so qualification, what is this? Okay, so where it is, email, qualification, mobile number, skills. Okay, so we will fetch these data. So this is coming from the model, so let's verify the model also. Mobile number, profile image, skills, right? So everything is looking good. Okay, so what else we are fetching? Here we have a fetch the data, handle file change, submit. Okay, so have we copied this thing? We need this thing also. Copy, edit profile. When we are submitting the data, full name, email, qualification, mobile number, skills. If teacher data, dot f image and not, then we will append featured image, this, right? This, and teacher data text. It's not text, actually it's skills. We don't need this. Okay, so append featured image, full name, email, qualification, skills. Featured image is not here, we need a profile image. Teacher form data f dot image, form data. Okay, course data, actually this should be teacher data. So teacher form data, append this teacher form data, previous image, it will be empty after that, right? And everything is looking fine. We just need the teacher detail data. Full name, actually full name, email, qualification, mobile number, skills, previous image, profile image, and this is not text, we don't need this. 1 2 3 4 5, and what's the fields are? Full name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Full name detail, actually we need also detail. What is the detail? Qualification, we don't need this field detail. Full name 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, everything is fine, I think. So we have added the field profile image, so we need to migrate this. So I'll go here and click on this python 3 manage.py, make migration. It will show the migration. Remove field, and this is edit, and let's manage.py migrate, right? So migrate this. Now we can run the server again on this. Okay, now we need to create the teacher detail view. So teacher, here we have teacher detail view, right? So teacher detail view, we can just call this function and our work is done. So teacher and teacher ID. All right, so API teacher ID, everything is fine. Teacher data, here we need to define two things, previous image and this image, p image. Okay, this one. So p image, profile image, actually this is profile image and this is p image, and this is profile image, p image, p image. Okay, profile image and p image, profile image. Where is the, where we are using the profile, this image, and where we are using the p image, p image, previous image, profile image. So when we are submit the form, so profile image is, if p image is not empty, if p image is not empty, and where we are setting the p image, when you handle the change. Okay, actually one more thing we need to define, handle file change, actually handle file change. Here we are, handle this file change, right? And in the edit course we also need the image thing. Here we have f image, this thing, so we will copy this, right, and paste in the profile image section. Here, sorry, here, row, and this is profile image, and this is teacher data. This is known as profile image, teacher data. So this will known as profile image, and this is p image, and this is profile image, teacher data, right? And this will be title, not title, it will be full name. Okay, so when we click on the add, then it will be add the p image, right? So let's see this and match these things. So we have done, I think, almost everything. So detail is not valid for the teachers, detail is not valid. So where we are fetching the detail, in the serializer. Let's go to the serializer and let's say teacher serializer. We don't need this detail, actually. Password qualification, we also need one more thing, profile image, profile image, profile image. Okay, let's land on the setting page. Okay, so full name is coming, email is coming, profile image is not coming, and for that what we need to do here is the thing. Actually this should be in the div, and this class should be here. What div, what's wrong? Class this, file this, what's the wrong with this? Let's go to console. Okay, closing tag for section. Oh, right. What is this? No duplicates props allowed. No duplicate props allowed. Let's remove this text because it's a type of email. Okay, so data is filled, and why we can't add here the data? Set course data is not defined. Yes, you are right, set course data is not defined. Where we are setting the course data? Okay, very great. Great. Skills MCA. Let's go to network and check this how it's working. Update 404 API not working. Click on this profile image, submit form, post URL, base URL. Okay, base URL, you are right. We need to post data here. Where is the base URL? This. Let's see this now. And what's this view for that serializer? Teacher detail, but okay, fine, great, we can do that. BCA update 500 error response. You call this URL via post method, but the URL does not end in slash. Okay, post method. Very nice. BCA submit 405 post method not allowed. Okay, actually when we are posting the data, then we are updating the data, then we have to use the put method. And now password field is required. Field serializer. Okay, password field is required field. Okay, so when we are adding the teacher serializer, so if method is this, then okay, let's remove this password for now. I know that when we are registering the data, then we need this required field. Let's remove this, or we can do one thing. In the model, we will say blank equal to true and null equal to true, right? So now let's go here, remove this, make migration, migrate, run the server. Okay, now we can try to push this, put this, or you can say update this. Okay, so BCA update. Okay, so data has been updated, right? So if I refresh this page, it should fill the BCA, qualification, but it's not. Okay, let's see that why it is not filling the data. Okay, qualification, data qualification and qualification. Okay, all right, and here we have a handle teacher data dot qualification. value, teacher data qualification, right? Let's go to the API and let's slash, we have teacher one Alex profile image none qualification BCA. So let's go to 14 qualification. Yeah, qualification is all right. I don't think we have added the qualification. We have added this. Why it is not fetching the data properly? Teacher data dot qualification. Oh, we have added in the label. You understand that? Right. MCA. Okay, this is known as teacher register, but this is teacher profile, right? So I have one thing more, put the data. Okay, so edit course, when we are submitting the data, then we have to set the headers. Let's set the headers because we are sending the image, so we have to send multi-part form data. So here we are. Okay, and we will copy this, paste it here. Now we can send the image. Okay, let's send the image Flask. And let's go and update. Here we are, response image we have. All right. Oh god, it's fixed. It's great. And if success, then we will call this sweet alert. So set teacher data. If success, then we are, we don't need to make this empty because we are not registering. So data has been updated, right? So let's John Doe. Wow, what? It's saying something error. A response is not defined. We can say response this, right? Okay, so data is here, and let's say BCA MCA. What it is? It's not working. Why it's not working? Let's go to teacher profile setting, handle change, on change, handle change, value qualification, value teacher skills. It's adding, but it's not. Why not? I don't know why it's not adding. Let's update this John Doe 1 and update. So data has been updated, right? So if you go to add course, if you go to my profile setting, so this is saying my John Doe email, whatever it has the image. Let's investigate that why the qualification is not updating. Okay, so the text area, the value. Okay, I'm in the edit course. This has the text area. So value on change. How did we define the name? No. All right. Now it will do. Okay, so BCA MCA update, data has been updated. When we go to the profile setting, okay, so here you can see that. Okay, so we have successfully completed the profile setting section for the teacher. Okay, so we have completed our 54th video. In the next video we will work on the change password. So thank you so much for watching this video. I have created a 53rd and 54th video now, and I will upload that, and maybe I will create the change password also or more. then I will upload all the videos today, or maybe some today and some tomorrow. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, and also please support me and send your email. I will provide the code for the I will provide you the git access for this code. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.